Is this the most powerful automated floor cleaner ever built? This is the new ECOVACS DEEBOT X12, and it's packed with next generation tech, like a pressurized jet system and a self-cleaning roller mop. If you're tired of vacuuming and mopping manually, hit that subscribe button. And I want to know, so comment below, what is the absolute worst mess you have to clean up in your house on a regular basis? Let's start with the headline feature, FocusJet. This isn't just about making a mop pad damp. It has two distinct functions: spot stain pre-treatment and area pre-treatment. In deep stain cleaning mode, the robot actually sprays liquid while moving along the selected cleaning area, letting out intermediate bursts across the zone before it even begins mopping. This pre-treats the area up to 4 square meters, breaking down sticky messes so the roller can wipe them away effortlessly. Once the floor is pre-treated, the OZMO 3.0 goes to work. Unlike flat pads that drag around dirt, this roller mop continuously rotates while actively scrubbing. It also self-cleans during operation, which significantly reduces dirty water from being repeatedly spread across your clean hardwood floors.
Washing the roller mop with hot water.
When it's done, the Fresh Flow roller washing system takes over the station. It washes the mop during and after cleaning, uses dirty water auto management to extract the grime. It finishes with a hot air drying cycle to completely prevent bad odors. The X12 also solves the classic robot problem of missing corners with TrueEdge 3.0 Extreme Edge Cleaning. Watch closely here. The roller mop physically extends outward by 1.5 centimeters to seamlessly wipe away dust building right along the walls and baseboards. For dry debris, it features a blast high airflow suction. This doesn't just boast a high number on paper, it's actual cleaning capacity that pulls away heavy particles, like spilled cereal. To combat hair wraps, you don't have to worry about that with me, but with others that I live with, it also pairs with a Zero Tangle 4.0. Yeah, there's not a bunch of hair. That's really cool. This doesn't look gross. That's pretty awesome. I mean, there's a little bit of like residue, but it's definitely, like I said, usually in the past, I've just seen hair just get caught all in here and I'm having to get scissors or a knife to clear it out. But look at that. That's impressive. The brush actively guides loose hairs straight into the high airflow path to prevent them from wrapping, keeping the main brush completely tangle-free. Something that I would like to mention is that before climbing onto the carpet, the robot closes the roller cover to prevent the carpet from getting dirty. If you have mixed flooring, the X12 uses a smart carpet first strategy. It'll map out your home and vacuum your carpets completely before it ever wets the floor for mopping, preventing cross-contamination. When it transitions onto the rug, the 15mm roller lift instantly raises the wet mopping mechanism high enough to avoid getting your carpets wet. Moving between rooms is seamless thanks to its TruePass 4WD climbing, utilizing a 4-wheel drive system to cross thresholds easily without getting stuck. Navigation is handled by AV 3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance. It recognizes everyday household clutter like shoes, toys, and even cables, steering clear of them all in real time. You don't even need your phone to control it. You can just use the built-in agent Yuko AI assistant. Watch this. Okay, Yuko, start cleaning the kitchen. The app control is incredibly intuitive. You can easily set up customized room zonings, drawing custom no-go zones around fragile items, and toggle between specific cleaning modes. For large homes, it features an adaptive charging strategy that intelligently adjusts how much it charges, based on the remaining cleaning area size and mode. Combined with power boosting fast charging, the robot can quickly top off its battery mid-cycle to minimize any interruptions to its routine. The robot can gain up to 13% battery in just 3 minutes, helping prevent it from running out of power during a cleaning session. Please note that the power boost only activates when the battery level is 85%. And finally, a massive win for your wallet, the OmniCyclone bagless dust collection design. This pulls dirt into a bagless chamber within the station, completely eliminating the need to go buy ongoing replacement dust bags, reducing long-term maintenance costs significantly.
About to start auto empty.
Another incredibly easy thing to do is to take the dust bin out. Let's see if I can do this all one-handed while holding a camera and emptying the dust bin. I can almost do everything one-handed. Trash can. That's pretty impressive. Being able to do this one-handed if you needed to, you can simply empty it. Yep. Love that. Being able to empty this one-handed can come clutch at times. I mean, we're busy people, we got a lot of stuff going on, trying to handle multiple things at once. I like that. So many times with all kinds of stuff that gets inside of vacuums, these things will end up being really dirty and clogged up. This isn't clogged at all. There's nothing in it. This is amazing. Look at that. I mean, there's a little bit of dust in there, but nowhere near as bad as what I've experienced with other robots in the past. So that already is impressive. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 really delivers a fully automated experience, from pre-treatment to self-cleaning. If you want to check out this robot, there's a link down below in the video description or in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me what you think about this robot in the comments. And I'll see you next time.